Oops, my lens cover's down. Again. Well, I'm trying to get a carb to work here. Here's the old one. Here, where did it go? Oh, that's the one that I was going to use. I know some parts missing, and here's the one off the 19 horses out front. I think that's gas. I'm going to tear it apart here. So let's get a good work surface to work on. Yeah, screw it. The floor's good enough. Alright, let's see here. Let me get my tools around here. Not in it. Alright. Let's pick it apart. I think I might have to piece together another carburetor out of 3 junk ones. Oh my God! Ha! That was on the filter. Wow. Alright, hold on a minute. We'll dispose of him here after I tear this apart. That's the filter came off the motor that this carburetor's on. Carburetor looks clean in the throat, but it doesn't smell so hot. Ugh, smells like crap. Well, actually, it smells like stale fuel. That's what it smells like. Come on. Alright. Let's see, we can't crack this thing apart after I get this stupid thing out. There we go. Alright. Let's lightly tap it. There. She's coming. The front's hanging on yet. Oh my God. Oh yeah. This is deja vu. Just like that snowblower we got. Well, I know what I'm doing. Piecing together a couple carburetors. So let's want that. Okay, we got it back together. I'm gonna get a rebuild kit for this then. What's missing there? What the heck? I think there's something missing. No, I guess not. But does anybody know what brand carburetor this is? Or what model? Is it Briggs & Stratton brand? Does Briggs make carbs, or is it some off brand? I don't know. I'm not really into Briggs & Strattons that much. So does anybody know? Let me know. But I'm going to try and tear that carburetor apart, see what it looks like, and then maybe take some parts off of this one and put on that one. And Mr. Spider, I will set you free. Alright, let's go set him free. Here, Mr. Spider. I don't want to bend that. That was my air cleaner housing. There. All on there. All on the piece of wood. Come on. Get off. No. Get off. Off. Bad spider. Bad spider. Get away from my hand. Some spiders I'm not afraid of, but those, like that one, yep. Definitely. Don't like spiders like that. Oh God, this filter reeks of foul gas. Oh, delicious. It smells like foul gas in the garage now because of this piece of shit. Oh. It's going in the shitty parts box. There we go. Alright, let's tear apart this other one. Ugh. Nice. Now I got the smell of foul gas stuck in my nose. Alright. Well, the motor's sitting in the tractor, but it's not perfect. And all my parts are there, and I've had enough bullshit for one day, so yeah, I'm done. Bye.